Howdy guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Auntie. If you guys are new here, that's who I am. If you're not, welcome back. Today I'm so excited because I am doing the 90s inspired koozies and t-shirts. And as a 90s kid, I am obsessed with some of the shirts that I made, and I couldn't wait to just film this so that I could keep them and go about my day and wear them all the time. So hopefully you guys will see me wearing these in some pictures soon because they are going to be a staple in my closet. All right, these 90s SVGs are available on auntie.com to my members. So if you're interested in these plus thousands of others, join my membership. For $8 a month, you can get access to these and lots of other stuff, including anything that comes out in my What's New Monday videos. So we would love to have you over there. Now let's get going on our 90s shirts.